Let me explain how Diffie-Hellman key exchange works. Diffie-Hellman is a key agreement protocol that lets two people create a shared secret over a public network. Therefore, an eavesdropper can see everything that's sent, but can't feasibly compute the shared secret. Now let's dive into how it works. Let's say Ash and Pikachu want to use Diffie-Hellman. First, they agree on public prime number and generator. These are not secret, and anyone listening can know them. Next, Ash and Pikachu choose a random private number. Ash and Pikachu compute a public key using the prime number, the generator, and their own private key that they generated previously. Then they exchange those public values. After that, Ash combines Pikachu's public value with his own private number, and Pikachu combines Ash's public value with her own private number. They both end up with the same shared secret. Anyone listening on the wire can see PG and the public values that get exchanged, but without the private numbers, they still can't compute the shared secret. In the real world, Diffie-Hellman is usually combined with authentication, often using digital signatures like RSA. That's because Diffie-Hellman by itself is vulnerable to a man-in-the-middle attack. Imagine Jengar is sitting between Ash and Pikachu. Ash can't automatically verify that the public value he received really came from Pikachu, and Pikachu can't verify that the public value she received really came from Ash. Jengar can swap the public values during the exchange and secretly establish two different shared secrets, one with Ash and one with Pikachu. That's why real protocols authenticate the key exchange, usually by having the server sign the Diffie-Hellman values with something like RSA. That way, you know who you're actually agreeing with. And that's how Diffie-Hellman key exchange works. Thanks for watching. It's for